Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So a lot of you guys asked me to do a video on makeup products that I carry with myself when I travel. As a beauty influencer, I need to travel a lot. I keep traveling to Mumbai and Delhi, and I don't carry a lot of makeup products with me, just the ones that I really need, the ones that I really trust. I don't carry a lot, I don't carry too less. It's just a balance, a good balance. So I think this video is really going to help you to plan accordingly when you travel. So the first thing I carry with me is this Aqualogica D10 Plus Dewy Sunscreen. I've used a lot of their sunscreens. I've used the pink one, I've used the yellow one, I've used the green one, and now I'm using the red one. And if you're also tired of dealing with tan skin during summers, then you don't have to worry now. Aqualogica has got you covered with their latest sunscreen. This is the D10 Plus Dewy Sunscreen, and this innovative sunscreen not only protects your skin from sun damage but also brightens it up with goodness of cherry tomatoes and hyaluronic acid. The vitamin C and antioxidant rich cherry tomato helps restore the natural healthy glow of your skin, while hyaluronic acid adds hydration and improves your skin's natural moisture barrier. This has also got SPF 50 plus, which is amazing. What sets D10 Plus Dewy Screen apart from other sunscreens in the market is its lightweight, non-sticky and hydrating formula that leaves no white cast on your skin. Moreover, it is completely fragrance-free and color-free, making it suitable for all skin types. Aqualogica is vegan, cruelty-free and clean brand that gives back to the community. With each purchase made through Aqualogica's website, you help someone in need gain access to clean drinking water. You can use my coupon code SUSH20 for a 20% discount only on aqualogica.in, and these products are also available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. The links to purchase the products are available in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. This is the most important thing that I carry when I travel because I just cannot do without this. The next product that I'm going to show you is this MAC Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Pink Light, and I absolutely love this product. It just makes my skin glowy and dewy and also hydrate. There are times when I don't want to wear makeup, so I just apply this alone on my skin and my skin looks so healthy and so glowy. So this is absolutely a must for me. And most of the products that I'm going to show you today are of the higher end, but don't worry, I'll also give you options of other products that you can try, and I'll link all of them in the description box below. The next product that I cannot do without is this Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Warm Golden, and I absolutely love this. I have been constantly only using this concealer since, I don't even know, since the past 3-4 months. It's not too thick, but it's got medium coverage and it just hides my dark circles beautifully, and it just blends beautifully. It just is a smashing product. Next product that I carry is this Next product that I carry is this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I am in the shade Tawny. This is a beautiful foundation. It's got medium to full coverage, and you can also apply it with your fingers all over your face, and it looks very natural too. So for setting the concealer, I carry this loose powder. This is the K Beauty loose powder. It's in the shade Banana, and this is a very fine milled powder, and it just sets my concealer perfectly. I don't set my whole face, I just set the under eye area really nicely, because anyway this foundation is a little bit dry on my skin, so I just don't set my whole face with this powder. Sometimes what I do is I also mix my moisturizer with this foundation and apply it like a BB cream, and it just sits beautifully on my skin. Next, coming to the eyes, I only carry one product. I carry this Kiro Long Wear Eyeshadow Stick. This is in the shade Lunar Champagne. It is such a beautiful eyeshadow stick. I'll just show you the shade, and it's just a gorgeous shade. Whenever I travel for a day or two, I never like to do a smoky eyes. I think this clean look with just this single eyeshadow, it just looks beautiful on my eyes, and it just makes my eyes look clean and awake and wide and big. And this eyeshadow, when you apply it, it does not budge. Like, I'll show it to you right now. It will just not budge. It does not even need to be blended. You just apply it all over your eyelids and you are done. You're all set. For my mascara, I always have two options. I carry either or. So the first option is this Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. This has got a wand which just volumizes your eyelashes. It will not clump no matter how much you apply, it just does not clump your lashes. And sometimes when I apply this, I don't even need falsies. The next one that I carry is the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. This fans out the lashes really well. My lashes look really big and fanned out, and it's a great mascara. The next product that I carry is a compact one. So I have the bronzer, blush, and the highlighter all in one. And this is an excellent product. This is the Swiss Beauty Cheekaboo Blusher, Contour, and Highlight Palette. The contour is a mix of warm and cool toned, and I absolutely love it. And this blusher is, and it's a little pinkish peachish shade. It looks gorgeous when you apply it on your face, and the highlighter is also bomb. This is the highlighter shade, and look how gorgeous this looks. This palette is one of my favorites, and I just cannot do without this palette these days, especially when I have to travel. For my Kajal, I use this Bellora Paris Kajal. I always carry this. This is my favorite Kajal. It's actually called Coal Kiss Intense. It's in the shade black. It is like the blackest black I've ever seen. It's just super smooth. It's smooth like butter. It just glides on your eyes so easily. It does not irritate your eyes. If you're looking for a black cool pencil, you can absolutely buy it. I highly recommend this. Next, for the lipstick, I just carry one lipstick, and I always prefer wearing nude whenever I'm traveling, because you guys know me, I love nude shades when it comes to lipsticks. So I just carry this little Nika lipstick. This is in the shade Kashi. This is the best shade I've come across, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. When you apply it, it just applies like a lip oil, but it slowly mattifies and it just stays on your lips. It's very lightweight, so you don't really feel that you have any lipstick on your lips. No matter what color you're wearing, it just goes with all the outfits. So this little guy is my safe bet. Last but not the least, I carry this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I love this product. I just cannot do without this product. I tried a lot of other makeup setting sprays, but nothing beats this. It just sets your makeup so nicely, and it also hydrates my skin. And I always carry a pouch like this. I saw it, I just fell in love, and I got this from Westside. I carry this glam looking pouch and keep all my products in this one. And that is all, guys. That's all that I carry with myself when I travel. I hope you liked this video and this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section what other videos you want me to do. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, if you aren't already subscribed to my channel. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.